Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to render or export a video in DaVinci Resolve. Here's my video and the first thing you need to do is go to Delivery tab and click on it. Make sure to select the part of the video you want to render. You can choose the entire timeline or select a specific in and out range by clicking here and pressing I, where you want the video to start, and O, where you want to end. Once you made your selection, go to the Custom Export option. You can choose any of the available presets. I am always going with Custom because it is giving me the most flexibility. Here you can name your file. I will call mine Meeting. Click on Browse to select the location where you want the video to be saved and press Save. Next, navigate to the Video tab. Ensure that QuickTime and H.264 are selected. For resolution, choose the one that you want. I will go with 1080p HD, but you can also select Ultra HD, that's 4K, if you prefer. Select your frame rate and under Quality select Restrict to and enter 10,000 kilobytes for HD video, or don't go more than 40,000 kilobytes for 4K videos to maintain your high quality. When you are done, click Add to Render Queue. You will see your video added to the queue. You can add more videos if needed, or click Render All to start the rendering process. Once completed, it will show as completed and you can right-click to reveal in Finder to see where it's saved on your computer. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and like my video. See you in the next one.